Hi folks, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a good day. Just bringing you along, I'm going to rip out some of these plants here, like the lettuce have had it, so I'm going to replace them. I got some cherry tomatoes yesterday. So I'm going to put these cherry tomatoes into the pipe and see how they grow. So I'm going to replace this lettuce, that lettuce, they're all done, they've gone to seed. And I think there's one more somewhere. Might be one there, that one there. I can replace as well, so that gives me 4 places to put them in. So what we're going to do is rip some of these out and give you a look at the roots as they're coming out. So those are the roots. So that sort of gives you an idea what the roots are like. But that's only a little one. Down there. The tomatoes over here. Actually not bad looking tomatoes. That's why I grabbed them. They actually look quite nice for a late tomato. Okay, let's start with this lettuce here. There you go. Roots still healthy, looking good, but just that they've gone to seed, as you can see, and it's not worth me keeping them. Another one. Big long roots on it too. Unfortunately, the couple of days of 40-degree heat and then raining at the same time, the lettuce just got knocked to buggery. Another big one going to come out here. It's a bit tough, this one. Okay, here we go. It's getting a bit tough, this one. There we go. Get the size of that. That was a big one. Okay. Next one. So that's the lettuce is pulled out. Clean out some of this root system here. They say that is from the cucumbers. So all I'm going to do is pull it off like that. Get rid of it. Back in there. Okay, so that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 4 tomatoes. So I've still got one spot after that. I've got some cucumbers too, so I can put a cucumber up in here. Put a cucumber in there. So that will work out alright. Now I've got to clean all these pots off, so I'll do that and I'll get back to you. Okay, I've cleaned up all the net pots. So we're back to square one. It took me all of a minute to clean them all. So we're back to square one with them. So what I do to plant my plants is I've got a heap of coconut pulp in the bucket. Now it cost me like $6 for all that, so it's going to last me some time. So a heap of coconut pulp, and all I do is this. Well, let's start from here. What they say is take your tomatoes out and wash all the dirt off. Now, I experimented with the last crop I put in the pipe and didn't do that. What I did was took the tomato out, put it in there with coconut pulp and put it in and see what happened. Now that worked really good. I didn't have any problems, grew well, got a good crop off it. So, my opinion is sort of half and half. It works pretty good. A lot of people say it doesn't, but I'm to the stage where I'm saying, yeah, okay, it works. It works well. So I'm not washing the dirt off my roots. I leave the dirt on and just put it in the net pot. And it also stops the plants stressing so much as well, so that's basically what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put them in the net pot. So I'm just going to break them off, stick them in the net pot, cover around them with a coconut pulp. I'll do that and then I'll get back to you. Okay, what I've done is put these tomato plants and one cucumber plant in the net pot. Now I didn't wash the dirt off, I just put it in there, coconut pour around, and now all I've got to do is clean off the dirt. So I just dip it in the water, get a little bit of a swirl come out, it cleans off the dirt. Now the water's the same as what's going through the pipe, so that one's done, and then we just set it in the hole, and there we go, planted. Same with the next one. Into the water, a little bit of a swell, and I get rid of the dirt off all the coconut pulp from the outside of it. I've already got a root coming down there, good start. And then we just whack it in the hole. And another one. And into the hole. The last tomato. Into the hole. And cucumber, I'll tell you what it is in a minute. Oh, okay. And then we whack the cucumber in the hole. This one here. Him out the way. There's the cucumber in the hole. Okay, so that's my plants all planted. Let's see, there's another one here I could replant, so I'll put another cucumber in there. And that will be it. So that's my 3 tomatoes planted, so we'll see how they go. That's how easy it is to plant. So we'll go see what the cucumbers were I just planted. And the cucumbers are, well, there you go. So that's what I've planted. And tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. And that's what's been replanted. So, we'll keep updating and see how this late crop of tomatoes will go as we're getting towards the end of summer. We'll see how they go. Capsicum, oh, he's going with great guns, as you can see. Big capsicum there. Another one there. One down there. Another one there. So that capsicum's growing quite nice in there. So that's probably about it for this update on what's going on. Just before I go, I'd like to do a shout out to Jeff. Hey Jeff, how you doing? Hope everything's going well. So I'll leave it at that, folks, and I'll catch you next video. So have a nice day, and I'll see you next video. Bye.